Alright guys, we're doing a completely original series called
Ask MKBHD.
Ask DHRME. Here are some of the questions you guys asked on our videos, mainly related to the Sony headphone. The first one's from Yakov Korlansky. He asks, "Hi DHRME, could you help me to connect the MDR-1000X to the Sony app? Thanks." Yeah, no, we can't, sorry. Sony won't let us. The app only works with certain models, and your expensive one-year-old MDR-1000X doesn't work. Next question's from Sabin Damela. He asks, "Can I have my active noise cancelling turned on for the WH-1000XM2 without actually listening to music for hours? Rumors has it that the headphones turn off after 5 minutes if music isn't played." Let me get this straight. You basically want to use these headphones to tune out the world and not bother with human beings? You're my man. Well, there are basically two ways to do this. Number one, wirelessly. Just keep your headphones connected wirelessly via Bluetooth with your phone or with a laptop. That way the auto power off doesn't come into effect. Number two, wired. Just keep the cable plugged in and turn on noise cancelling. The auto power off should also not come into effect. The next question's from Militant Atheist. Asks, "Tell us how to connect it to iPhone and MacBook at the same time." Well, your best bet are the AirPods, or maybe Beats. But the best we've gotten is with two Android phones.
Now, if you work with two Android phones, you can only use one of them for media and one of them for calling. So that's not a great solution either. The best solution that I found, and it's actually a workaround, is to start these headphones up in pairing mode every time and then choose which device wants to connect to them. You cannot use them simultaneously as far as I know. If anybody else knows, please feel free to leave a comment down below and correct us. So Mo Ibrahim asks, "I still can't use Google Assistant on my WH1000XM2 because my Assistant seems to be stuck on my Bose QC35 too. Were you able to switch between the two headphones?" Now, Mo Ibrahim, you seem to have two high-end active noise cancelling headphones. What you could do is take your Bose QC35-2, do a factory reset, place the QC35-2 into the case just to be sure that it doesn't get damaged, place that case back into the original box, and send it via FedEx to us at DHRME. That way you'll have only one active noise cancelling headphones and then you won't have this problem anymore. You're welcome. Ming Hao Kwek, sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, I probably did, asks, "How do you take care of the earbuds on the headphones to prevent it or delay any peeling?" We assume you mean ear pads and not earbuds. When putting it down on a hard surface, the hard plastic touches the surface. That's how I usually place it so it doesn't damage the ear pads. If you're in need of replacement ear pads, there's some third-party ear pads linked below. Maybe they help. But other than that, we don't do anything special with them. Those were a few questions you guys had about the Sony headphones. If you want to buy any of the products mentioned in this video, check out the links in the description below. It will help us support this channel. You've been asking,
And we've been DHRME.
You've been asking, and we've not been NKBHD.